Hey guys, we're gonna take the bubble wrap off the bananas early March here. Let's just do it. Yeah, they look like crap. I get people ask me, well, how do the bananas look like? Well, they should look like crap. They're herbaceous perennials. They're giant rhizotomous herbs. So yeah, they look like crap. Slug in there. They froze down because it was just that cold here in December. And they'll come back. You can't kill bananas. Let's cut that end off. And you know what's the nice thing about the banana leaves? You can actually use them for mulch around the clump, right? So let's take that off. So these basically froze right back. This one, that's firm down there. So I'm going to cut this off here. There we go. And that'll just push out. Yeah, they look worse for wear, but they should because they are bananas. Bananas should always look like crap after winter, even if they don't freeze back. So let's cut that off. Come on. Okay. Throw that in there. And that even froze back too. Look at that. So does that answer your question, folks? Bananas look like crap. There we go. And there. So let's take this bubble plastic off. So that's what the bananas look like. They had nothing to write home about. And I didn't expect them to look good anyway. That's actually, it's still, you know, they froze down pretty good this year. Like I say, it was cold. That one had bananas on it, so it ain't coming back anyway. But there we go. There's a banana update, early March. They look like crap. Palm trees look great. Palm trees are awesome. Bananas, not so awesome. All right, so there you go. Hope that answers your banana questions. Those are Musa basjoo. Early March, and they'll bounce back in the spring. Thanks for watching. Cheers.